Hello and namaskar to all my joyful and beautiful companion of one world. Hopefully you all are good and doing great in your life. So today let's discuss about the manifestation technique, how we can manifest anything and everything in this world. So whatever essentially we see as a human being, we create as a human being in this world, it is first get manifestation, it first happen in our mind. As a human race or human tribe, whatever we create in this world, it is first get find expression in our mind, then it find expression in the outside world. As a human being, we really create many good things and many horrible things. So first essentially it is create in our mind and then it is happen in the reality. So a well organized or well established mind is referred as samyukti. It is means kalpavriksha or wishing tree. One person whose mind is well organized or well established, then his fundamental, his emotion, life energy and everything is get organized in a particular direction. When your mind is getting organized in a particular way or established in a particular way, then our emotion, body and life energy both getting organized. So whenever this happen to anyone, manifestation is not really one problem. So one conscious mind really can create anything in this world. Right now if we see that our most of action is self-destructive, our physical action, mental action, emotional action and energy action both is happening, not happening the way we want. Maximum time it is happening against us. So most of us is self-destructive. So there is technique and the tools so that our mind can function the way we want it. If our mind not getting well organized, then what happen? We are falling on and falling off, we are turning on, turning off. Suppose if we want to go to somewhere, but if we go 2 steps and came back, then really we are not getting anywhere. Same with our mind, that we want to do something but tomorrow morning our emotion and mind changes and we don't want to do it. That's happened with most human beings. So that's why we are not progressing, we are not going anywhere, because we are just going in circle, we are rotating in the same way. One person who can hold his mind with absolute attention and intensity, with unwavering focus for a certain period of time, then his or her emotion, fundamental life energy and body, everything with in sync or in turn with some way, that it is can happen sometime without even any doing physical action. Something really can be manifest if we can do something with unwavering focus. That means nischala tattvam jivana mukti, means something if we can hold our thought is like absolute attention. It is like the magnifying glass, like if we hold the magnifying glass under the sun for some point of time, then it is like, and we drop under a paper, then that paper getting burned after some time. Same, if we hold our intensity of thought for a certain period of time, then manifestation is not any problem. When our mind, first anything comes from our mind, anything we thought from comes from our mind, then we imagine something, then our emotion getting involved and it generate impulses. Without emotion you really cannot do anything for a sustainable period of time. Then emotion generate impulses and that generates energy. Then energy, when energy generates, once the energy is getting generated, then from that point of time just our body doing the action. So for a certain period of time, if we hold a thought, it is not even a problem to manifest whatever we want. Just we have to. Mind is a great boon of nature giving to us, but right now it is happening like a curse because we are not taking charge of our mind, and mind is just relentlessly going anywhere, just rotating all the time. It is that we must to know how to use the power of our mind. It is the greatest tools to humanity. So if we take charge of our physical action, mental action, emotional action and energy action, then anything we want we can do in this world, we can manifest in this universe. There is no problem with that. Essentially what human being is seeking is the pleasantness of the body, mind, energy and emotion. When our body is pleasant, we call this health and pleasure. When our mind is in pleasant, we call this peace and joy. When our emotion is in pleasant, we call this love and compassion. When our fundamental life energy itself pleasant, we call this blissful and ecstasy. Right now one thing also happening, that we want something, we generate a thought, then immediately we generate other negative thought, so that same thought is impediment of that thought what we want to create. So it is the problem. We generate one thought and against with that thought we generate another kind of thought. So it is not happening. If we want that certain particular amount of thought with certain intensity and absolute unwavering focus and attention, then really our emotion, life energy, body, everything is in turn and in sync. Then in some way we can say that when this happen, we can say we are the creator of our life, because the source of creation is the throbbing all the time within us. And the question is, do we have that access, do we have that consciousness, that extent of consciousness or access to that source of creation? Essentially if we do this, if we want this dimension or this access of this dimension is within us, is within the reaching point of us. If we want, we definitely can make this happen. If we strive this, every human being can do this. Not only once we are in a great state of bliss and peacefulness, and that time if we generate a thought, we decide to something, no matter tomorrow whatever happen, whatever the hell is happening, we must not changing our focus and direction from that. If we can do that, no matter whatever happen, whatever we want to create, it's definitely going to happen. We must not to falling on and off, or turning on and off, because by turning on and off we are not getting anywhere, we just going in circle. Only by sustaining and getting and holding a thought for a certain period of time, we can go forward. And it is our wish, every human being wish to going forward in life by using the body, mind, energy and emotion in a certain direction to use in favor of us, not against us. So that's it from today's video. I hope you love it. Thank you so much for watching, and you must always, no matter whatever happen in the outside world, but stay always healthy, happy, joyful and blessed. And one thing is, in our life, no matter if we do not do what we cannot do, no problem, but if we do not do what we can do, then we are a disaster. As a human being, we must to ensure that we are not a disaster. That's it. Thank you so much. Love you all.